Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new to this channel, kindly make sure that you subscribe to this channel for the latest tech updates and the tech knowledge. So in our previous video we discussed about the types of statistics, and today we're gonna learn about the measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency, that is the mean, the median, and the mode. So there are basically three measures of the central tendency. The first one is the mean, the second one is the median, and the third one is the mode. So talking about the mean first. So mean is nothing but the arithmetic average. Arithmetic average. And if we say what is the mean, basically it is basically the sum of values divided by the number of values. So for example, the exam scores of the five students are 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. So what would be its mean? Its mean simply would be the sum of the values divided by the number of values, which would be 70. And the mean is used when the data is evenly distributed. So mean is used when data is evenly distributed. Talking about its limitations, the mean is sensitive to outliers. The mean is sensitive to outliers, which I would be showing you in the later part of this video. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Talking about the median, so median is nothing but the middle value. Also, by the definition, I must say that middle value when the data is ordered. So, for calculating the median, you have to first order your data in either the ascending order or the descending order. For example, the exam scores of the students are 50, 60, 70, 80, and the 90. So, here our median would be 70, that is the middle value, and the median is calculated when the data has outliers or skewness. Used when the data has outliers or skewness. Talking about its limitations, the median ignores the exact magnitude of the values. Ignores exact magnitude of values. Talking about the mode. The mode is nothing but the most frequent value. And talking about its definition, value that occurs most often. For example, the shoe sizes of the students are 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, and 10. So what would be our mode? So our mode would be 9, because 9 is occurring maximum times or maximum number of times in the data, that is the 3 times. And the mode is used when the data is categorical or discrete. Used when data is categorical or discrete. Categorical or discrete. Talking about its limitations, it may not exist no repeats, or may have the multiple modes, like the data may have multiple modes. Now let's talk about one more important topic, that is the outliers. You all must have heard of outliers if you have ever studied a bit of the data science. So what is outlier sensitivity? Now let me show you that example that mean is sensitive to outliers. Now let's take an example first, okay? For example, the salaries of the employees are 30k, 40k, okay, let's say 35k, 40k, 45k, 50k, and let's take an outlier which is 500k. Okay, this is our outlier, that is extreme value. Okay, now if we take the mean of all these now, so the mean would be coming out to be 116.7k, and this is inflated. The mean is inflated by outlier. Okay, while when we take the median of it, it would be coming out to be 40 plus 45 divided by 2, which is 42.5, which is unaffected, which is quite realistic, right? So the mean is highly sensitive to the outliers, while the median gives a more realistic picture of the typical salaries of the employees. Okay, now where this appears in machine learning, the mean, mode, median, and the outliers. So mean is used for calculating the averages, centering the data, and mean is also used in loss functions. So mean is used in loss functions basically, or the MSE. Talking about the median is robust measure in skewed data. For example, the income prediction. So median is used as a robust measure in the skewed data sets, and mode is useful for the categorical features like most common classes. It is useful for categorical features. Okay, talking about the outliers, it can distort the training and models may overfit or misinterpret the patterns. So our key takeaways on today's video was that the mean is easy to compute but sensitive to outliers. Median is resistant to outliers, better for the skewed data. Okay, let me write it. Okay, I have already written it when data has outliers or the skewness. And mode is best for categorical or discrete data. And always check for outliers before deciding which measure to use. So this was all for today's video. Hope you like the video. So just like this video, subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hype my video. Meet you in the next day of the 20 days of statistics. Hope to see you all there. Till then, bye bye.